Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this brand new Audi Q2 1 litre TFSI 30 S-Line in Navarra Blue metallic paintwork. And this vehicle is a brand new car, so it does come with the manufacturer's 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. Start off with, let's take a full 360 degree tour around this stunning Q2. So starting out at the front, we have these super bright LED headlights to illuminate any obstacles on the road in front of you. I may also add that the flickering is due to the camera and not the car. Then looking down at these stunning 18-inch 5-segment spoke design alloy wheels, and these really complement the blue paintwork very nicely and work really nicely with the silver accents across the car as well. Now looking inside the rear, we do have 3 spacious seats. The outer 2 do come with ISOFIX points, making this the perfect family car. And the seats do also fold 60/40, which means you can get those larger items through the back of this vehicle very easily. And as you can see, it looks very nice in there for those rear passengers. And then looking to the back, we do have the LED rear lights with the LED indicators, which as well as looking really stylish are really functional. I mean that you remain visible at all times. Coming around to the back, we can see there's lovely silver accents, and if we push the button there, we can open the electrically operated tailgate and see that inside there's plenty of space in there, so you can get those golf clubs in there. You can also get those suitcases for that weekend away, and once the rear seats are folded, you can get plenty of larger items in there as well. So to make that load floor flat, all you have to do is lift up this shelf here and place it on the higher level there. So it's just a quick push of a button to close that boot there. And then walking down the side, you can see the very stunning and compact design of the Q2. And then looking inside, we've got plenty of high quality materials on display. So we do have this lovely brushed aluminium trim around the vehicle, which looks really stylish, really smart, and feels really expensive as well. And then looking at these seats here, now these are the pulse cloth and the leather seats, which are really comfortable, really supportive, especially on those longer drives, and we do have plenty of adjustment. We also have as well there the electric lumbar support, which is perfect for those with lower back issues or just to make your life that bit more comfortable. So that completes our initial 360 degree walk around of this brand new Audi Q2. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, let's take a more in-depth look inside this Q2 at some of the interior technology that's on offer in this stunning car. So we do have the electrically adjustable heated and power folding door mirrors, which is perfect for those tighter parking spaces, and the heating elements are a godsend on those frosty mornings. We do have as well this 3-spoke leather wrap multifunction steering wheel, which has all the important buttons right at your fingertips. So on the left, we've got the controls of the Audi virtual cockpit, which has a digital dash screen sat behind the steering wheel. And on the right, we've got our controls there for our voice control, as well as our radio controls and our nav control as well there. Then looking down, we've got our cruise control and speed limiter, perfect for those longer drives, and also means you won't get any speeding tickets. And then looking up, we have Audi's virtual cockpit, which is our digital dash screen, and you can look at several things on there, such as some of the vehicle settings. You can have a look at your radio stations, you can have a look at your telephone as well as your map screen, and you can change the size of those dials to make it feel truly personalised and exactly what you're looking for. Then looking over to the central infotainment screen, this is controlled via a wheel down near the gear stick. And then if we have a look on our smartphone interface, you can connect your car to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. That means you can use your device for things such as Spotify without having to take your eyes off the road. We've also got our map screen on there as well there. You can zoom in and out. We've got our navigation, so home's never far away. And we do also have as well there our telephone for those important business calls on the way home. We've got our media there via Bluetooth or USB to connect your device up to the vehicle. We've got our radio there. We've got a long list of digital audio broadcasting radio stations. There are plenty to choose from, so you should never be short of anything to listen to. And then if we have a look in our car setting, we have Audi's Drive Select. So if you want to go for a very relaxed and chill drive, you can put the vehicle in comfort mode. Whereas if you want more of a dynamic drive, you can put the vehicle in dynamic mode or choose it for yourself in individual. We also have the very powerful air conditioning in this vehicle, which is perfect for those warmer summer days, and it's also great at heating the car very effectively on those winter mornings. Underneath that, we've got a 12-volt socket for any accessories, alongside there a USB socket, perfect for charging your mobile device. We've got 2 cup holders. We do also have as well there controls for the volume and turning the radio system on and off. We've got our very slick 6-speed manual gearbox there, which pairs very nicely with the 30 TFSI engine and delivers a very sporty driving experience. So below that are the controls there for the infotainment screen. So as I say, there's just a wheel down near the gear selector. We also have our pre-selected menus there to make it very easy to use. We've also got our auto hold, perfect for those traffic jams. And then we have a sliding centre armrest here, which can be fixed at several different height positions, which means you can always find that comfortable driving position. And underneath, you've got plenty of storage for your wallet or keys, which are to remain hidden, alongside a second USB socket and an auxiliary port there. That means all of your devices can remain fully charged at all times. So that completes our look today at this brand new Audi Q2 S-Line 30 TFSI in Navarra Blue. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417. And you do get the 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you at Stafford Audi very soon.